Hello there. Today we are going to start 4.2 of chapter unit 4, that is building blocks of software engineering or UML. Sorry, building blocks of software UML. We are going to see basic building blocks of UML in this video. UML can be used in analyzing, in design process, in prototype, in code generation, in automation, automated testing, refinement, and documentation. These are few points where UML can be used. What are the basic building blocks of UML? We have got, it is divided into conceptual model, is divided into three parts. One is building block, other one is rules, and then the one is common mechanism. In building blocks, again it is divided into three parts, that is things, relationship, diagram. In things, again it is divided into four parts, that is structural, behavior, and grouping things, annotation things. A relationship is association, dependency, generalization, realization. And then there are few diagrams which are there. Then what are the rules? How do you define all those things? This one, this, and this. Then there is common mechanism. How do you specify? How do you do extensible mechanism? What is stereotypes, tagged values, constraints, and everything. These are few things, basic building blocks of UML. The first thing we have seen structural. There are four kinds of things. As I told you up, there are structural, behavior, grouping, annotation things. These are the basic object-oriented building blocks in UML of things. And if you see the structural, we have a class diagram which specifies the name, the attributes, and operation. We will be seeing this later on. That's no issues regarding that one. Interface, it is defined a set of operation and it is denoted by this. Then we have got collaboration. Collaboration define how interaction between two element, and it is given by this notation. Use case represent set of action and it is represented by this. Component describe the physical part of the system and it is denoted by this. And then we have got node that can be defined as physical element that runs. These are the basic building blocks of what? Structural things. Then we have got behavior things which describe dynamic of your software system. What will be the input? How the system will work out. Interaction is defined with the arrow on a message on that one. The state mechanism, current state, it is defined by rectangular shape. The useful state of an object, it's a lifeline of an important, define the sequence of step object goes through one after the others. And then we have got dependency, which are of four types, that is dependency, association, generalization, realization. And then we have got diagrams which are specified. I just told you class diagram, object diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, collaboration diagrams, and state chart diagram, activity diagram, component diagram, deployed diagram. What are relationship? There are four relationship, what we call dependency. A relationship, one depend on other. Association, basically set of link that connects UML. It describes how the object is taking part, means what part of a, what degree of your object is taking part into that. Generalization give you the concept of inheritance. Connect specialized element, it basically describes inheritance relation. Realization can be defined as the relation which two elements are connected, which has a one element describes some responsibility which is not implemented, one is implemented. Correct? We will be seeing all this in details. Then we have got names. You have to give rules. What are the rules? What the name we call it? It should be a well-defined name. The context of that given specific meaning of that name. It should be clearly visible. and it should take all the relationship constraint, all integrity, and what it means to run. It should be give you a dynamic model of it. There are common mechanism, there is specification, adornment, common division, extensible mechanism. Correct? These are the things. I hope you got it. I'll stop it here. Thank you very much.